Mama, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
So this one a first state immigrant solution. So I say, what will be your take where you see where we take on this Piazza Nettuno this evening?
My brother, I greet you and I greet everybody. This manifestation what we do today is very, very important. Myself, I not expect say so many immigrants go turn up today, because when we plan this manifestation, we say there's only 50 people. But what we see for Piazza today, in more than 200 to 300 people when come. So meaning this matter of immigrants is very important. The way that they treat us for this country get us be. Everybody they invest. So many people when talk today, they talk with annoyance. You don't tell when me they work out for this immigrant something. Not be today. And they work out, they see say many stories, many things they happen, so many groups. It's there for this city. Even I still thank some Italians, women, men, when they support, when they stand for immigrants. Because then some of them know say what they do to immigrants no good. So all these ones when they stand with us, so I thank them very well. They know. Not be say they don't know. And they use this opportunity now, they help us. They say okay, make una do, we stand for our back. Because some of the laws when they put, it not favor immigrants. The law, they just do it to favor themselves. So this period now, when this few years now, when some kind government can't enter, the law can't turn upside down. Immigrants not going to even get value for anything again. Now work, then they do you contract to not get ahead. Permission the sojourner, no another story. House rent, you not go even, they're not going to give you house rent. Even they say some people know they pay house rent, but not be everybody know they pay house rent now. If you want to, they say if you not good, go your country. With the work, with the pay tax.
What of those people where that they use for farm work, where they give small money?
My brother, this farm work matter. Then only strangers now that they use, because the money when they pay strangers, it not reach anything. How we need to talk for parable, we don't come, we not feel go back. People they do this farm work, you know how much they pay them thorough and shisha. But they do them because they go chop. They do them because they go still send small money go home for their people. But the work of that farm work na yawa, nothing good. You not go see better Italian person go do that kind of work. They use immigrants, they do the work because they know say they not get option. What our man go do, neither they do one. They use immigrants, they use Romania, they use other countries.
The way where our permit stay, where country they delay now for Questora now for police station, the thing come here they tire me.
You know the
may you see shook your mouth put and hear when you talk just now.
I shook my mouth too for this matter, so because it they pain me too for inside this matter. When all these people come from Libya, they accept them, they do them thumbprint. If you do thumbprint, it's like you don't accept these people like your children. You will give them sojourner, you will give them work, you give them place to stay. These people, when you give them sojourner, not be say na free. You will give them work. When they work, they go pay tax. Not be so. They can't take the thing, can't they do like you remember they call them boju. They can't first give them sojourner. Then they not give them work. When you not give person work, the sojourner will die. When they go renew, they go begin to ask contract for work. They will begin to ask a resident, but they not get them. So automatically some go put in, they not go see them back again. They will say the one when manage bring a contract for work, they go put and there when the thing don't reach it will expire, they will come call them, come take them. It remain 3 months. Before again you go come put again, then they pay money. But this one be like what you they take, they do small picking. Take a car, or you can't take, you go follow me, or you take her. Now just they can they play like football. The Italian they call her joke. Play. It's not good.
So concerning the way that they treat immigrants, people say that they treat them like Syria B and Syria A people, which means that they differentiate them. So what do you still get? What do you want to talk to our
you know, say this matter of as the minister when he enter, we not like strangers talk and say na the country people first before any other people. As the other man for America they talk, he say na people first before any other people. But not be like that, because this world he big where everybody. He reach everybody to stay, but it depends on an individual and the country, their system. This way when they treat we strangers for year, this one first, that one, and we don't see many. If I talk my own, na my own. Other people bring their own problem. The same thing. If me and you they work, now the same work me and you they work, you they pay tax and they pay tax. Why you can't they treat me bad? It's not good. Italians, so many Italians there for outside Italy, other countries they work. People are not treating them. I take example, Nigeria, Italy, Nigeria. We know they treat them bad. So many countries now, Italy, they even their time they even become immigrant. In so many, some of their children now don't study here, they don't see work. Then go other countries, go work. But they are living fine there. But the way they are treating strangers here, it's not good. So John, when me and you they talk now, before you can't ask me this question. How you go give person sojourner? You want renew, you take him, you keep him, you not give him. You say because you not bring contract for work, you not bring contract for stay for house. Then the next thing you reach a police station, they'll just carry him, they go put him for plane, they go deport him. You know how many way they don't deport? It's not good like that. You give somebody something, you give her. Not be say you go give her, you go take her. The thing that has to be my brother.
Concerning this coronavirus, I hear say some city there where they not give money to immigrants because of say they get permit to stay where not reach 5 years. What do you still get to shook your mouth for that?
My brother, this matter of giving money, I not even support our people to take the money, because for this country, if you owe them 10 euro, then go they send you recommend that and make you pay them their 10 euro. So if you go collect that money, me I not collect, because I know say at the end they go bring this thing for you. Make you go, when you go do certain rent, you go pay, and not you collect for this government when you not go pay back. That one me not put man. Our people won't take, now they know why they take, and maybe they need them, but I know say one day they go ask them back this money.
Thank you very much. God bless you, man.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay, man.
I want to make from time to time they work out, because sometimes some of our people they know what thing they happen. Me, I not get time not to explain so many things. So many women they suffer, so many men they suffer, people they suffer. Not the only we Africans. So I know why we own too much, because of our color. We know Africans. I'm proud to be an African, because we they intelligent. We study so many things, but because of our color, they discriminate us. But all the same, God will still help us, because God is with us. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much. Bye.